Very good. Bros,
sir. Okay. All right. Don't power down.
He's stationing well. It's where we have. Just work. Yes, that's the position we have. Just work.
This one is technology. It's my hand, so no technology.
Well, you can see it yourself. The system is not perfect. Things are not working. It takes them more than 10 minutes to capture me, who is the candidate of the PDP. So all of us here, you can see the drama. And a lot of complaints here and there. If INEC cannot successfully organize election in one state, just one state, then you must know that we are running to anarchy.
Certainly, you must have been hearing reports virtually
everywhere. It's not even me who is contesting the election can experience this up to 10 minutes before I could be allowed to cast my vote. A lot of women will just let me go back to my house. I think it's deliberate on the part of INEC, on the part of the REC, and we have said this several times. We don't trust Barrister Oluwatoyin Abalola that this woman cannot be fair. The system is compromised. I have series of calls today, and I make calls to everybody. People are complaining, vote buying. Beavers are not working, even when it is just a tools of, ringing tools for them. It's a ringing tools for them, but it's not even working. It's a very shameful exercise, and I think Nigerians should just call on the chairman of Electoral Commissioner.
Your assessment of the security situation, please.
Professor Mamadou Yakub. It's not if you cannot do the job, it's just honorably resign. He should resign. This is embarrassing.
You don't trust the integrity of this.
This is totally compromised. You have seen it yourself. Totally compromised, and it's very sad. Nigeria is going to a state where people are an idiot, a non-entity. Because you are in a ruling party, you become what you want to become. Under Professor Jega, INEC was almost getting to that level of international standard. But Yakubu Gowon has drawn us back. This is sad.